Friends, my name is Atasin. So today I will tell you about the books that I have read and also that I've used in my personal life. And the books are not expensive, but these books give us idea or imagination to think, and also for our vocabulary, as we know, and also for our as we know, also for our essay activators such as books. First book is Essay Activator, Longman Essay Activator, Your Key to Writing Success. This is a basic thing that we need in our life. If we write any essay, so we need to find their words that is used two times or more than two, more than one. So such as you can see, this book is very good and I appreciate this book's writer that he has write a very good book. First of all, you can see advantage, so has also uses of advantage, and also the words that is same to same it, the word is different but the meaning is same. So first, when we came here, you can see advantages and disadvantages, such as advantage, the great advantage, a big advantage of, one of the big advantage such as words, and the second word like advantage, second word is benefit. As we know, merit plus point, dismerit good point, dismerit. As I came to dismerit, this is opposite word of merit. And also you can see when you read this book, it has also some keys, if there's any word and also its opposite word should also be there, and it has a key to use it, how use to any word that you need. And the second is basic vocabulary in usage. This book is for tenses. The person who has not understand tenses, listen first, he has to read this all, read this all book, but also fill the exercises that is used to be as, this book is very cheap, I think. You can buy it. You can see first, learning strategies such as high, big, and you have to also first read from here, and then you have to done exercises there. There's 2 pages of, one lesson is 2 pages, maybe also in the, you can see in another exercises there is also done. And the exercises that you do not do in your book, this one I have done in my copy, and in another video I will see you. As you can see, this is a creative thing. You can see has all right written, and here we have to match all these exercises. You can see I have done all this book, and the exercises you can see that I have didn't done in this book, but also I have done it in copy. And these books are basically used to give us such advantages, like this one for vocabulary, for essay activator, and for talking speaking power. This is very good book, I acknowledge it. And also this one book, here we use the most thing is the words that we use in our daily life, such as we use benefit. Education has a lots of benefits, and here we have give another word, the first advantages, and the second merit, the good point. And this have keys to written in this book, and this has book has 60 units of vocabulary, and it would be practiced but also has a key you can see, but do not use it for cheating. This is a key to see as your answer is good, or like it is the wrong answer, or it is maybe a right answer. But you have to complete all this book without any cheating, because if you read all this book and do all the exercises, I think you must have a good vocabulary and also a good practice on tenses. And it has also, as you can see, this is basic, and it's also intermediate and advanced. It is also an advanced level. So I must appreciate you and said you to buy these books because these are cheap, and these give us lots of benefits if you read. Thank you for watching. Would you like to subscribe?